Hey, it's Gina with WTI. No, this isn't a new fashion statement, but it is my new favorite accessory for getting curly hair. I had no idea how easy it would be to get perfect heatless curls until I tried this silk set from MATASSE. So it did take me a little bit to get the technique down, but I found that once I figured out how my hair works best with it, it went really easily after that. I experimented trying it with just dry hair. I found that lasted a couple of hours and then that would relax down to almost straight. Then when I tried it with slightly damp hair, it came out just perfectly. I also did it with damp hair, and for me, I found that my hair was still slightly wet in the morning, so I chose to not do that, but just do a slight spritz so that it had something to work with. My hair does have some natural wave to it, but I found that if I sprayed it with hairspray after I took the curler set out, it held so well and actually relaxed down to just perfect curls for me, which is what you see here. I'm also a side sleeper, so I found that it was really important for me to tie it behind my head and then secure it with another band before I went to bed. The silk is just fabulous, and I love the scrunchies that come with it. I've actually started just using those to tie my hair up with. It's so gentle on your hair. I think this is a fabulous set. I love that it comes in its own little bag too, because that helps me keep track of all the pieces. I love using it, and that's my point of view.